The second goal, and as I said, that goal was achieved. The second goal was deterrence capability, which is just a fancy term for Israel wants the Arabs to be terrified of it. And it looked as if after October 7th, many an Arab and some non-Arabs thought, hey, Israel may not be as impregnable, as invincible as we thought it was. And so Israel had to, what it calls, restore its deterrence capability, which is just a fancy term for restore the Arab world's fear of us. And they succeeded, in my opinion, because the Arab world will look at Gaza. Gaza is now 50% rubble. The estimate is there are 45 million tons of rubble in Gaza. It'll take 10 to 15 years to clear away. Gaza is no more. I know a lot of people don't like it when I say that, but I have to stick to the factual record as I understand it. Gaza is no more. And that's how Israel typically restores its deterrence capacity. I would have to add that one of the glaring weaknesses in Israel seemed to be on October 7th, its technological and technical deficit. They were caught off guard. And they restored that technical deficit in the last month with the pager and walkie-talkie booby traps and the systematic assassination, one by one, of all the Hamas and Hezbollah leaders, not Hamas, but Hezbollah leaders. They restored the fear of their technical capacity, restored the fear of everyone's fear. Now, Israel has opened a new page in our history. Everybody's going to be terrified of iPhones being booby-trapped. That had never happened. That's a new thing. Israel crossed that threshold in barbarism. Just the other day, a woman said, she wrote to me and she said, my algorithm always brings you up whenever I go into, and she said, that algorithm really knows me. And I said to her, be careful. If you click on the link, your computer may explode. Mm-hmm. You know, we are in a new era. Israel is introduced with this latest barbarity.